I'm a woodpecker who loves to draw, but I can't hop on beaches or fly freely in the sky like a real woodpecker. My brain lacked oxygen when I was born. From that moment on, my body and my brain have worked against each other. When I want to greet someone, my neck swerves back. When I want to talk, I can only make ee-ah sounds. When I want to smile, my face looks angry. I had to start school sooner than other children. I need to learn how to keep my body in balance and control the turning of my neck. I use my hands and feet to feel the shape and temperature of things. I'm just learning how to talk. These things might be a piece of cake for most people, but for me, they are very difficult. You might wonder how it feels to see other children jumping and playing when I can only stay in one place. I hear people sing. If I could sing, would it be beautiful? All I can do is sit quietly.